So hey guys, one more fidget unboxing. Let's unbox this. Wow, look at all these fidgets. So we're gonna start from here. So first we got a golden acupressure ring. That's cool. Then we have these, I don't know. I guess we say them as spiky balls. They're kinda good. Look. And satisfying. Next, a puppet. So this is my first puppet with these eyes. I do not have any puppet like that. Let's pop it. Wow, like the best pops. From both the sides. Now it's time for the pop tube. Let's stretch it. It's not that loud, like it's normal, and it can even be converted into a bracelet. That's cool. Now it's time for this very cute slinky. Look at the smiley. I actually love slinkies. It's like a mini slinky. Next we have this. So this is interesting. Let's open it. Okay, so this is a fidget spinner, and like it's like missing one bead, so we're just supposed to move it. Oh, look at that. So ooh, it's puzzling. I'm gonna try solving it, but it's kind of hard. Let's see if we can do it. But yeah, we got all three of these, but there's still one blue in here, so I'm gonna get it later. Let's switch on the next fidget. Okay, so now we have monkey noodle. So this is my first big monkey noodle. I have smaller ones, but this is a thicker and bigger one. Good. Oh, that's a cool sound. Next we have these. Oh, yeah. So I'm on the table. Yeah, that's actually cool. Next we have a marble and mash. That's great, but the marble is smaller than my normal marble and mash marbles. Whoa, our next fidget is a bean pot, but it's clear, look. Yeah, it's clear. Oh, I cannot take them out. Okay, let's try now. They're now coming out. Look. Ooh. I guess. Oh yeah, it's coming out a bit, but it's like a vase, so not that good for me. Next we have this chicken. It's a stretchy chicken, like stretchy, and it is like not having anything inside it. So are we supposed to put it on something or like that? But it's pretty cute, cute. Then we have two stretchy mans, like they're super stretchy. I cannot actually stretch with one hand. Let's go with two hands. So I'm gonna get both. Look, yeah, look at that, so stretchy. And these are the cute faces. And we have both with the same faces. They are friends. Now it's time for a mochi. I guess it is a caterpillar or what, like I don't know, but it's so cute. Now it's time for the next fidget, which are these. These are like smiley springs. Cool. Both are having smiley on them. Okay, now it's time for this. Let's open it and figure out what it is. Okay, like it's like a spinner type something. You can just spin it. You move it, move it, move it, move it. That's actually cool. Or you can just do this. Oh, look. Yeah, that's a cool fidget. I'd never seen that. And lastly, we have a fidget cube. I actually have the same exact fidget cube, and I do not like these ones because these are like plastic stuff, not hard plastic. They're like bad plastic, but still, it's a good fidget cube and my favorite.